Welcome to this video where we'll be discussing a common issue that many developers face when trying to connect their PostgreSQL database to a Node.js application. Wow! JS application. If you're watching this video, chances are you've encountered the frustrating error message PSQL connection to Node.js issue and are looking for a solution. Don't worry, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll dive into the possible causes of this issue, explain the concepts involved, and provide a clear step-by-step guide on how to resolve it. So what exactly is happening when we encounter this error? To understand this, let's take a step back and look at how Node.js interacts with PostgreSQL. When you try to connect to your PostgreSQL database from your Node.js application, there are several steps involved in the process. First, your application sends a connection request to the PostgreSQL server. The server then verifies the credentials provided and checks if the requested database exists. If everything is valid, the server establishes a connection with your application. However, sometimes this process can fail due to various reasons, such as incorrect database credentials, invalid database name, or even issues with the PostgreSQL server itself. When this happens, Node.js throws an error message indicating that there's a problem with the PSQL connection. Now, let's break down the possible causes of this issue into smaller parts. One common reason is that the database credentials provided in your Node.js application are incorrect. This could be due to a typo in the username or password, or maybe the credentials were updated recently and not reflected in the code. Another possibility is that the PostgreSQL server is not running or is not accessible from your application. This could be due to firewall rules blocking the connection or the server being down for maintenance. Lastly, it's also possible that there's an issue with the database name or schema being used. Maybe the database was dropped or renamed recently, causing the connection to fail. To resolve this issue, we need to identify and fix the root cause of the problem. Let's use a real-world analogy to help illustrate this process. Imagine you're trying to access a secure building with a key card. If your card is not recognized, it could be because the card is invalid, the reader is faulty, or maybe the door is locked due to maintenance. To summarize, the main points discussed in this video are: the PSQL connection issue in Node.js occurs when there's a problem with the connection request to the PostgreSQL server. Possible causes include incorrect database credentials, issues with the PostgreSQL server, and problems with the database name or schema. To resolve the issue, identify and fix the root cause of the problem by verifying credentials, checking server status, and ensuring correct database configuration. That's it for this video. We hope you now have a better understanding of what causes the PSQL connection issue in Node.js and how to troubleshoot and resolve it. If you're still facing issues or have further questions, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if it helped, and consider subscribing for more content on software development and troubleshooting. As always, thanks for watching.